Oh. What's going on? It's another day, something new. So we've been getting a lot of break-in miles on the Mustang, and time to clean it up. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So we have big brakes on the front, and you guessed it. Oh God. So this video, we're gonna clean the wheels. We're gonna get them as clean as we can. I'll show you how these wheels have some imperfections to them, but we can make them look better than this. You guys can let me know if I'm cleaning my wheels correctly or if I need to change up the product or strategy. But what I've been using is this Blackmagic no scrub. Of course, I do scrub still because that's what kind of gets it off, because it's usually caked on like it is now. But yeah, this one's been pretty neutral with having it being painted and polished lips for the wheels. So we'll go spray this on and then rinse and scrub, and the wheels will be clean. Oh yeah. Basically it says spray on wheels, let it set for 1-2 minutes, hose off with cool water, and then wipe away the remaining brake dust. See, I knew it's like something. Basically, it all is really. I'm not scrubbing, but yeah, you do need to wipe away. So over in this cabinet, I've got this guy. Just like the instructions call it, it just needs that little bit extra wipe down. The barrels look a little better because it's had less abuse than the fronts. Like I said, this is the Blackmagic no scrub. Technically you're not scrubbing, but you at least do need to have a wipe down with it. Spray it on, rinse it off, wipe, give it one more rinse, and then for the most part I'll leave the car outside to dry for a little longer in the sun. It kind of speeds up that process, prevents because of the deep barrels of the wheels, it'll prevent a water puddle from starting there, and you could have this big noticeable puddle, dried water puddle thing that's in the barrel of the wheels. So I'll leave it out there to let it dry before I bring it back into the garage. Now, other than this, I do try out other cleaning products periodically. Let's see. So like right now, 717 Supply. This is the Street Speed guys brand, their wheel cleaner. I have noticed by shape of the bottle and kind of how these are made. I'm kind of picking up that it seems like everybody's using a common guy for bottling and chemicals and things like that. So nothing wrong with that. However, I do like to try and buy like someone else's wheel cleaner periodically, just in case it's a one's better than the other, or just to test it out, right? Just to kind of see. So my wheel is a polished and painted, so you gotta pick a neutral pH between it. And I'm no crazy detail fanatic, but I do understand you can't use one that's meant for one or the other. You got to find that middle ground, wheel cleaner that's going to take care of both. So I got to keep that in mind for here. I think I will, on the next set of tires, I think I will get the wheels powder coated and just have them painted, because I don't know. I don't want to go black. I think I might want to go bronze, or maybe gunmetal, just to change it up a little bit. I like the chrome. I like the polished look. I'm not the guy to keep up and maintain it though. So, but yep. Here's, if you wanted my perspective of how I keep the wheels looking good, looking clean, and when you see it out and about, take a look at the front wheels. See if they are still clean. And if they are, you might have just cleaned it. But like, comment below, and if it's your first time here, why don't you go ahead and think about subscribing.